Hello guys and welcome back again to the second hands-on labs video in this GitOps course. In the previous video we have covered the installation of Argo CD, also provided a brief overview of its main components. So in this video I'll be showcasing the process of creating our first application within Argo CD and how to establish the connection to GitHub. In the last time we have reached this point, so what you are seeing now is the Argo CD dashboard. To create our first application, we have three options. The first, using this or through this web UI. The second is using the Argo CD CLI. And the third is employing the YAML manifest files. Then you create them using the kubectl. The application that I'm going to deploy is this one. It's already pushed to GitHub. So it's a basic Flask application written in Python. And to create this application, I just to come here and click on this new app button. I give this application a name, so let's name it by Flask. Project name, let's stick with default. Sync policy, we have two options, manual or automatic. For now, let's use manual sync. Sync options, let's skip. Then repository URL, just come to here, copy it, and paste it here. For revision, let's leave this head. And the path is where my manifest files are located. So in my GitHub repository, I have all my manifest files here in this folder. For now, I just have one. It has the deployment and the service of the app. So I just need to type the name of the folder, manifests. For destination, I have to put here the cluster URL where the application will be deployed. Then namespace is, I'm going to deploy all in the default namespace. Then click on this create button. As you see now, the application is showing and the initial state of the application is out of sync. Why? Because the application hasn't yet deployed and there is no Kubernetes resources have been created. So let's click on this sync. As you see here, we have two resources, service and deployment. I click on synchronize, and as you see now, the application is successfully created, and you see now the pod is running. The current version of the application is 0.1.0, and so as you see, the application is already configured with Node port, and this is the external port that I can use with the IP of the cluster to access the app. So let's just type here, and here is my application now is running. It's just returning the information of the container on which it is running. So this is the current version is 0.1.0. Now if I want to upgrade or update this version, so just need to do it from my local repo, then push the changes to GitHub, then Argo CD will automatically detect that and try to synchronize. So let's do it now. Let's update the version 0.1.1. Let's assume that you have a pipeline to build and push the new image to, for example, your container registry. Then this process is the continuous deployment. So how to continuously keep deploying your application to your cluster using Argo CD. So let's update the version and here this environment variable and save, stage all changes, and then do update version. Commit changes and back to the browser. So as you see here, okay, let's reload. Sorry, haven't yet pushed. So let's push now. Okay, pushed successfully. Back to the browser. reload, and you see now update version. So this is the new commit. That's back to my Argo CD application. Click on refresh. So now it is out of sync. Why? Because it detects a new change in my GitHub repo. So if I click on synchronize, and now it is uh, terminating the old pod, and it has created the new one. So if I click on this, you see now the version is 01.1. And if I reload my page, so this is now this new version is showing. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we will have another scenario. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.